this is what we'll be working on today. Got some rot right here. We'll see what we got when we get it apart. Something tells me it ain't going to be pretty. One hole always leads to another, which it looks like it's gonna, right in there. So we'll see what we get when we tear that apart. Alright, I'll get back to you later on. I'm going to do a little bit of ripping and tearing here. Alright, we got this piece all cut, ready to come off, and like I said, when you go looking, you take some rust out, ta-da! You find more rust. So, I think we're going to have to come up here a little bit higher, over, and we may have to go this way and down over. We'll see. But for now, another hole there. I'm going to go up here and over. Come up about, we'll come up here, 2 inches or so. See what we look, till we can get the good metal here. Alright, here we go. Got it all cut out. Into here, into here. We have to go, like I said, we have to go further. Make a template, cut out. I'll get this piece made out. And then I got all these holes. So I'll make another piece fit right in here. I'll cut it right along in here. Cut it out. And up the back section where the door folds over until I get this piece cut out. When I make this piece, I'll make it a little bit wider so I can fold it over. It'll fit in there like that. And I can get this welded in. Then I can weld this other panel in. Get this welded in here. Then I can fold the lip over. Be done with this door. Alright, we got that tacked in. Just a quick one here. Show you what it looks like. Cut the old off, put the new in. I'll finish welding it up, get this ground down, painted, ready for the next part. Alright, we got that part all done, cleaned up, painted. Now it's time for the fun. We're going to put this one in. Put this one in here now. We'll get that tacked in and start forming that in. Alright, we got the patch started. Got it tacked in place. We had a little problem right in here. From here down to here. It went, sank in when I welded this. It pushed that in. Well, I had to get my grinder out. I'll show you. Put the real thin blade on it. Go right up through here. And go across here. Open it up a little bit. So I can get this in here. Kind of pry it back out, work it gently. The trick is not to put a lot of pressure on here because you don't want to put a bend in this door. You're trying to bend this metal here, not this metal here. You're trying to bring this up to meet this. So, you just lightly, I mean it wasn't in there that far. You just want to, you know, it fits real good now. So, it's real flush with it across there. So now we can spot it here and here, kind of hold it in place while I get some more spots in it. I don't know if you can see it or not. On the back of this door, right here, it's supposed to have a lip. Well, the patch I made had provisions for the lip, but as I started to bend it over, it just made things worse. Not having the proper tools, so I made this here. And we'll just put that in here like that. Clamp it in place. Minor adjustment. Looking good. Good. Looks better. Alright. Get that tacked in a couple places and go from there. Excuse me. Alright. Take a peek at that. See what else we gotta do. Cool. Haha. I like it. I don't like that. Ah, a little body color. Other than that, it's not bad. Bring it around here and show you what I was looking at. Alright, that's the finished patch. Let me go over a little bit here so I can get in there. I need a little filler down in here, but other than that, it feels pretty good. Got a nice body line all the way around. Not bad for 1960. Alright, on to the next hole. God knows what we're going to do the other door next. No, I don't think we will. I think we'll do the hole in behind the back. I'll show you. Probably have to take you out of your little perch here. Get you into that one. And we'll get some light on the subject. Yeah, we're going to do those holes down there. That's in the wheel well. That'll be a fun one. Alright, we got that done. That looks a lot better. And while I was at it, I got a couple of little pinholes up in here I want to take care of. So, you can see them right in here. That's all taken care of now. There's 2 holes done in one day. I don't know how to do now. I guess we'll go over to the other side where it's just another nightmare. I think we'll start right there, which should prove to be real fun. Okay, got the patch panel made. Gonna weld it along in here, and I got this to go in behind it. We'll weld down around here, and that'll be done. That'll be one more panel done. You don't want to take it down to the parent metal, and then you're just making this metal thin. It's hard enough to weld down. So you just want to take the tops off so you're clean metal. We'll do the final weld grinding when we get it all welded in. Till then, we'll just do it this way. I think what I'm going to do now is spot the back section in. Now again, this is just the way I do it. You can do it any way you want. Alright, there it is. Signed, sealed, and completed. Finally. Doesn't look too bad. Looks better than what it did anyways. Alright. On to the next job, which is going to be that right there. Yeah, that'll be the next job when it comes in.